Okay, good morning students. Today we continue how to know the angles of 0 degree, that is sine 0, cos 0, tan 0, cot 0, secant 0 and cosec 0. In our earlier classes we proved angle of 30 degrees, angle of 45 degrees and angle of 60 degrees. Now today in this video class we are learning to find the angle of 0 degrees. This is the right angle triangle ABC, the same we took in the previous lessons. Here AB is equal to X, BC is equal to Y and AC is hypotenuse, that we took it as R, and here the acute angle is theta. Now when we go to angle of 0 degrees, if you observe this figure carefully, what will happen? The angle will be goes on decreasing here. Here if you see this part, if you see this part, if you see this and if you see this, what we observe is the angle is go on decreasing. When angle is go on decreasing at one stage, what will happen? The angle will become 0 and this side hypotenuse AC will fall on A. Again I am repeating. When the angle is goes on decreasing here, according to this figure, what we observe is, if you see the length of AC here, if you see, it will be goes on decreasing. At one stage, when the angle is nearly equal to 0, then the side AC is also equal to AB. And this side BC is also goes on decreasing here. From here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and finally what will happen? The BC will become 0 and the hypotenuse will equal to this AB. That is why I took BC is equal to 0. BC means what? Y is equal to 0 and this AC and AB both will be equal. That is why I took here R is equal to X. Now, according to this figure, the opposite side BC will become 0, Y will become 0 here. The adjacent side AB is equal to X and the hypotenuse AC is equal to R. Now we calculate the values of angle of 0 degrees. We take sine 0 degrees. Sine 0 degrees is opposite side of 0 degrees by hypotenuse. So, what is the opposite side here? Opposite side is BC and the hypotenuse is AC. That is BC is equal to 0 and the hypotenuse AC is equal to R. 0 by anything will be 0. That is sine 0 is equal to what? Sine 0 is equal to 0. Next we take cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees is adjacent side of 0 degrees by hypotenuse. So that is what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is AB here and hypotenuse will be AC. So here AB is equal to X and AC is equal to R. I already told you that here R is equal to X. So in place of X what we can take R. So R by R is equal to 1. So what is the cos 0 degrees? Cos 0 degrees is equal to 1. Now we take tan. Tan 0 degrees is equal to, what is the tan ratio? Tan is equal to opposite side of 0 degrees by adjacent side of 0 degrees. Adjacent side of 0 degrees. Here the opposite side is BC and the adjacent side will be AB. So that is equal to, what is BC? BC is 0 and this will be AB is equal to X. So 0 by X, 0 by anything will always be 0. So what is the tan? Tan is equal to 0. Is it clear all of you? Again I am repeating. When we are finding the angle of 0 degrees, we have to observe this figure carefully. In this figure, what we are doing is the angle will be goes on decreasing here. When the angle goes on decreasing, the length of AC is also goes on decreasing. Finally, when the angle becomes 0 degrees, almost 0, then AC is equal to AB and BC will become 0. Why? Because if you see this figure, the length of the BC will be goes on decreasing. When the angle will be almost 0, then BC here also, BC is also equal to almost 0. Now I said AC and AB both are equal. So here what will happen? Y is equal to 0 and R is equal to X. What is the BC here? BC is equal to Y is equal to 0. I told you that AC and AB both are equal. The length of AC is equal to length of AB for angle of 0 degrees. That is why R is equal to X. Now, here opposite side according to this figure, that is a BC, that is a 0 here, y is equal to 0. Now, BC is equal to y, that is equal to 0 here. Now, adjacent side is AB, adjacent side AB is equal to x and the hypotenuse is equal to r. Now, sine 0 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite opposite side is here is BC and the hypotenuse is AC. BC is equal to 0 here and AC is r, 0 by anything will be 0. Similarly, cos 0 degrees is equal to adjacent side of 0 degrees by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC, that is x by r. As per this equation, r is equal to x. So in place of x we are substituting with r. R by r is equal to 1. Tan 0 degrees is opposite side of 0 degrees by adjacent side of 0 degrees, that is BC by AC. BC is equal to 0 and AB is equal to what? AB is equal to x. Here AB is equal to x. 0 by anything will be 0. So, sin 0 is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, tan 0 is equal to 0. Now we find the remaining 3 ratios. Next we take cot 0 degrees. Cot 0 degrees is equal to adjacent side of 0 degrees by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of 0 degrees by opposite side of 0 degrees. What is the adjacent side here? Adjacent side is AB and the opposite side is BC. Here AB is equal to x and BC is equal to 0. Any number by 0 is always equal to infinity. Now similarly we take secant 0 degrees. Secant is the hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side of 0 degrees. That is the hypotenuse here is equal to AC and the adjacent side is AB. So what is AC? Here AC is equal to R and here AB is equal to X. That is R by R, it is equal to 1. Why? Because R by R, here X is equal to R. Now we take cosec 0 degrees. That is a hypotenuse by opposite side of 0 degrees. That is equal to the hypotenuse is AC and the opposite side is BC. That is AC is equal to R and BC is equal to 0 by. So any number by 0 it is always equal to infinity. So like this we can find the sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosec. This is the angle of 0 degrees. So till now we learned about ratios and we learned about identities and we learned about complementary angles. That is 90 minus theta, and we have learned about some specific angles. like 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and one more is 90 degrees is left out that we do in next class. So we are going in a systematic way in our videos. If you observe carefully, when we start the lesson, we are covering all the points that will be useful for students. You can improve your basic knowledge, you can improve your concepts. If you follow these videos carefully, you can learn so many things. So all of you please subscribe the channel, like it and share it. Thank you.